Find a card reader like this one. Remove the micro SD card from the camera. Insert it into the card reader. Plug the card reader into your iPhone 15 or later with Type-C port. Click on the Files app on your iPhone. Tap Browse at the top. You should see a VOLUME1 or other named device. Tap on it to find your videos and photos. Follow the step-by-step to save videos to your iPhone. Plug the card reader to Android phone to transfer videos. Please follow the step-by-step to save videos to your Android phone, Samsung, or other brands.